All right. This is one of my personal bank accounts. Oh, by the way, this video is private and confidential. I don't want you sharing it with anyone. In case you were wondering, that's me, Megan Harper, and I am so happy you are here today. Okay, so look here. Yes, I am a multimillionaire. $3,126,740.51, just sitting there in my bank account. I know, holy smokes, right? By now, you're probably wondering what I do for a living. Well, you get the answer to that in just a second. I just need your undivided attention for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, that's it. Oh, another thing. If this video shuts off on you, it's probably because I had to take it down. Like I said, I'm only letting a handful of people in on this by the end of the date shown above. So if you're watching this, then there is still time. Otherwise, if you can't get through, just assume the spot's filled up too quickly. Do you have PayPal? It's the easiest way for me to pay you. It's sort of like a bank for secure online transactions. Here, let me just load up my PayPal account. Check this out. $192,159. Just sitting there. Again, just sitting there. Now look at these transactions. $2,950 coming in, $3,387 coming in, $6,801 coming in, $4,228 coming in. These are all payments from my business online, which, by the way, is expanding rapidly. And I need to grow my team as we speak. I'm even willing to pay you for it. Again, I just need 5 minutes of your time. See these? $4,563, $12,500, $11,922.50, and $6,190. These are just 4 of the 11 payments I made yesterday to people that watched my video the week before. And these are just regular, average people that never made a dime online before this. I'll repeat, I made 11 payments to people that watched this video just last week. Yep, the one you were about to watch right now. That's a total of $67,412.45 out of mine and in their checking accounts since yesterday. That means you can be on my payroll as early as tomorrow. So here's the deal. I'm expanding my business and I need a total of 45 people to join me. Individuals looking to succeed in business and in life. Now, these people don't need any experience. I'm providing all the training necessary. Again, setting up the system only takes about 15 minutes on your end, so quite honestly, even a child can do this. I helped 12 people yesterday and already a few this morning, so if you're watching this video right now, I still have at least one of the 45 spots still open for today. After today, this video will be taken down forever. And don't worry, this isn't another cheesy sales pitch. I'm not asking you for a single penny today. I recently sent $1,607.85 to Bobby Marshall from Little Rock, Arkansas, and $1,117.79 to Megan Elizabeth from Erie, PA. I chatted with both of them on Skype yesterday. Here, have a look at what they had to say.
Hi, this is Bobby Marshall. I saw this video just over a month ago. I didn't have someone like me telling you that this system is the real deal. So my main reason to send this video today is to share my success, and hopefully it encourages at least one person to share my success as well. So check it out. I received a payment this morning for $1,607.85. And yesterday I got a check for $1,002.23. This all happened in a short time from watching the video less than a month ago today. I still can't believe it, but it's freaking awesome. And I can't believe how easy it is. And I look forward to meeting you as well and to welcoming you to the team.
Hi, it's Megan. Whoa, I'm a tiny bit nervous right now. I've never recorded myself on video before. First things first, let me say that I have never earned a single penny online before using this system. I've bounced around tons and tons of different opportunities online, which were all much too complicated. This, on the other hand, just took 15 to 20 minutes of my time to set up, but most importantly, I wanted these numbers to do the talking. So today I actually got paid $1,117.79. And 2 days ago I got $1,016.92. I mean, seriously, let that sink in for a minute. That's a total of, okay, I can't really add that up on the top of my head, although it's somewhere over $2,000 in just a few days, more than I have ever been used to. I cannot tell you how amazing this feels, and I really needed this. It's changing my life day by day, and I'm sure it can do the same for you.
Bobby and Megan are both on their way to changing their lives. They're experiencing firsthand what financial freedom looks like. By joining my financial team, which like I said needs no experience, they'll each be making at least $1,000 per day going forward. Think about it for a second. That's over $365,000 per year with no experience. And like Megan said, just 15 to 20 minutes of time per day. 15 to 20 minutes on your schedule, when you feel like it. That's it. That's all I need of you. A few minutes and a desire to be very wealthy. Okay, and if you're ready to find out more about the Explode My Payday system, here's what I need you to do. See that form beside this video? I need you to fill that out with your name and email address. This is the information I'll be using to send you your money, so make sure it's correct. I know, you're probably going through a lot right now, and I know you probably tried many times before, and I know you probably failed, but that's okay, because that's why you're here. This time around, you deserve something that actually works. Again, just to be clear, I'm not asking you for your money. I'm not asking you to commit to anything. Just enter your name and email at the right to let me know you're interested right now. That's it. And like I said, once it hits midnight on the above date, this will no longer be available. You're watching, so you just happen to stumble on this page while it's still up. Call it luck, call it fate, call it God. There's a reason why you're still here and still watching. Don't push your luck and wait any longer. Once you confirm your spot, I'll start setting you up. As soon as you do that, I can give you more information. There's only so much I can reveal publicly about this. Again, there's no commitments. Go ahead, confirm your information right now. I'll talk to you soon.